Imagine living within walking distance of High Park and at this time of year, the breathtaking cherry blossoms. This beautiful modern building was built on top of a 1920s heritage church, which now serves as the building's grand lobby and entrance. Welcome to 70 High Park Avenue, Suite 1103. Come on in. Let me show you around. The stunning and bright corner suite features northeast-facing views from the expansive windows and lake views from the living and dining room. The large functional kitchen with full-size stainless steel appliances features granite countertops, a double sink, and plenty of cabinets and prep space. Other features include an open-concept living and dining room with hardwood flooring, custom built-ins, and a walkout to the balcony. 2 bedrooms with mirrored double closets and custom built-ins, hardwood flooring, large windows, a 4-piece bathroom, and an ensuite laundry complete the space. Enjoy living in High Park North, one of Toronto's most sought-after neighborhoods. Your steps to High Park subway station, historic architecture, parks, nature, restaurants, shops. You're going to love it. Hope you're showing today.